So other day I was on a short ride, and there is a small problem with my bike. My radiator has got damaged, and I'm not able to figure out where the leak is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble the bike, and let's see if we can figure out what has gone wrong and what can be done. Yeah. So as you saw previously, the radiator was damaged and we just got it repaired. You can see here because right now getting parts for this bike in India is difficult and importing one will take a couple of months. So अभी फिलहाल के लिए काम चला लेते हैं ऐसे ही and let's start the assembly pack. I just did some little wiring and all that stuff that was not done properly previously. I work on my own bike, so as you can see, it's a pretty neat job. Let's see what we can do with the headers if we can clean them. I'll put up a video if I can. Yeah, see you. Just watch the time lapse and you know learn something. It's better to do stuff on your bike on your own rather than if you have the tools and you have the expertise and you want to learn something new. But don't fuck up. Yeah. Before mounting the radiator, I want to try the Harpic hack once. So what we do is we take a wet cloth to put in water and put some Harpic on it. This is to clean the headers, by the way. I have done it before, but that time the radiator was not off, maybe it was not removed. So let's see how much of a difference the Harpic hack has. The radiator is installed back, and yeah, the headers are a bit cleaner. So what I've done is I had some old coolant lying around, so I don't know if you can see. I have filled up the radiator, but I know there is a lot of air stuck in the system, I filled up the radiator and it overflowing with just 1.5 liters, whereas this bike takes in around 3.8 liters of coolant. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start the engine, allow it to heat it up a bit, let the water circulate, and once the level drops, I'll be filling it up a little more, and then I'll be letting out everything. And this is just a coolant flush so that the whole system is cleaned. And once that is done, I'll be putting in distilled water so that it's even more filtered. I'll do this process once more with distilled water, and then once that is flushed, I can put in fresh coolant, which is by Motul, called Motocool. So that will go in, and let's see, because when there is air in the system, it's not easy to put in full coolant. I mean, all the 3.84 liters, it cannot take it. So it is going to be a slow process wherein I'll be filling it as much as I can today, allow the bike to settle with the coolant, and refilling it tomorrow. Yeah, let's go ahead. So it's the third liter that is finally going in. Of course, quite a lot has been wasted, but let's see what happens now. I've read in forums that it has to be left to settle overnight, and I've done it before and I've never left it to settle overnight.